Money-making business ideas for stay-at-home parents. First, consider the following points and select a business that best suits your finances, time and education. 1. What do you need out of the business? 2. What do you like to do? 3. What are you good at? 4. What would you like to learn? Question 1. What do you need out of the business? This question leads to questions like, are you looking for a second income? Are you quitting a job to stay at home with your children, or do you want to contribute something to society, or do you want to be an entrepreneur? Question 2. What do you like to do? Choose something you are passionate about. Starting your own business will require a lot of time, energy, and even sacrifice. Question 3. What are you good at? Your talents might be obvious to you if you are a musician, artist, or photographer, thus you already have a profession. And maybe you have a hobby, like candle making or painting, that you know you could market. You just need to identify your skills. Question 4. What would you like to learn? Sometimes things that interest us most are things we have to learn yet. It is just never too late to learn a new skill or polish an old one you have, and it is never too late to start a business if you have an ambition, or a marketable skill. Once you have answered the following questions, here is a list of businesses you could pick from. 8. Leasing rental properties. Passive income from rental properties is a cool business idea. Rental properties include house, cars, furniture, air conditions, crockery, quilts, party chairs, repair work machinery, party supplies, electronics, etc. It's better if you choose products that you feel interested in. It is very important, in this business, to have an organized structure, and the best way to do this is by creating an app. You can use directory feature to create listings, or even create an online store for your properties and let your app users choose what they want to rent from you. 7. Blogging. This is one of the most suitable business ideas for women at home. The good part is that you can work for flexible hours as per your wish. You just need us to build a website and write articles about anything you like. Once you are able to bring enough visitors every month, you'll start earning. People actually get paid to do this, and it's a great idea. You can start a blog depending on the interest you have, like food blogging, travel blogging, beauty blogging, photography blogging, and child care blogging, etc. Bloggers make $1,500 to $10,000 a month. They monetize their websites through Google AdSense, or by selling a product or service to visitors of the site. One of the smartest things you can do to get more loyal followers is to integrate your blog into an app. Creating an app for your blog gives you countless opportunities, but not many bloggers do it. A prominent reason for this is lack of technical knowledge. However, with AppyPie, you can integrate all your blogs into an app in minutes, without any coding or burning a hole in your pocket. If you do not want to create your own blog, you could instead do writing gigs on other websites. These websites include Contina, Solid Gigs, ProBlogger, Freelance Writing Gigs, FlexJobs, Blogging Pro, Be a Freelance Blogger, or Direct Response Jobs, to name a few. These are just the ones I know of with good reviews and a better pay. 6. Proofreader. A proofreader ensures that written content is free of any typographical, grammatical, spelling, punctuation, syntax, or formatting errors. The proofreader uses his judgment, skill, knowledge, and experience in checking that the work of author, editor, and designer, typesetter is satisfactory, marking amendments. People want to be sure and confident that their important text is error-free, and find it worth choosing a professional proofreader. A proofreader can make between $25 to $44 per hour. Websites that offer this job include Upwork, Freelancer, Domainite, Polished Paper, Proofreadingservices.com, Fiverr, WordVice, Cactus Communications. 5. Social Media Manager. Social Media Manager earns an average salary of about $63,000 annually. They are in charge of representing a company across all the social channels. They respond to comments and create content. These experts provide guidance to enhance an organization's online presence. Nearly every business has recognized the awesome value and benefit in social media marketing, thus opening large number of options for you. There are countless tasks on the list of a social media manager that become repetitive, Whether it is about collating a report of all the comments on posts, a list of new followers, handling the leads and adding them to a CRM software, or other such things. It only makes sense to integrate your social media management app activities with a no-code workflow automation software like AppyPie Connect. 4. Financial trading. Trading for a living means you should consistently be profitable and make an income from your profits at the same time. The stock market is built around the concept of connecting buyers and sellers who wish to trade shares of companies, while the Forex market is built around the concept of connecting buyers and sellers who wish to trade currencies. More info in description box. I myself am a Forex trader. You can inbox me for more details. Also, my track record is in the comments section. Traders report annual incomes ranging from $42,000 to $132,000. 3. Daycare center. Also called a nursery school. This is an institution that provides supervision and care of infants and young children during the daytime, so that their parents can go to their jobs. If you love children, this is a great opportunity to start an in-home childcare business. The amount you can make varies on location, but you could charge $20 a day, which turns out to $600 a month each child. Even better, team up with local moms and dads to create an online babysitting network, matching at-home parents with those needing childcare. You can opt for a single-day fee, weekly fee or monthly fee. You should hire an on-roll nurse and also register yourself with a hospital in case of a mishap. 2. Wedding planning. Wedding planning is a popular and exciting field. But this business may require experience and good startup capital. To get your own business started, you will require a number of employees. The weddings may involve different traditions for which you and your team will have to create and manage the timeline. Once you have a few contracts on your portfolio, you will be able to get more and more wedding events to plan. You can add on to your clients list by publishing your portfolio online. A wedding planner on an average earns $41,076 United States dollars per year. Weddings can be chaotic, and if you are planning multiple weddings, you do not want to send a sport-obsessed couple a cake that looks like a violin. 1. Tutor job. Teaching is another home-based business idea for moms. If you teach a group of students at your home, you'll charge less and will then need to get a good number of students to make a decent income. However, if you choose home tuitions, you'll charge high and you can earn sufficient money from a couple of students. You can also think about using an online course platform to create a course or focus on online tutoring. Online tutoring is an extremely trending business idea, and many teachers opted over traditional teaching. Online tutoring is easy to start as you can join popular online tutoring sites. The average annual salary of tutor is $46,000 United States dollars. Whether you are a seasoned tutor, or are just starting out, you can expand your reach and teach students from all over the world by creating an app. This can not only help you make reading material available, but also schedule tests, award assignments, mark papers, and even deliver live lectures.